I can't take this heat any longer.
Come on, Gene, you've only been in there a minute.
Is your sauna too hot for you? Did you spend hundreds of dollars only to find out you can't tolerate more than a minute or two of that unbearable claustrophobic heat each day? Well, change your sauna from a sweat trap into a pleasure parlor with Ronco's new sauna air conditioning system. That's right, air conditioning. Allows you to maximize sauna benefits by staying in longer. Special Ronco heavy-duty, easy-to-install sauna air conditioning system. Just $199.
Honey, what are you doing? You've been in this sauna for 7 hours.
And I'll be here until tomorrow afternoon. Honey, this is the best sauna air conditioner we've ever had.
Keep cool with the Ronco no-sweat sauna air conditioning system. Just $199. Installation not included.